Michael Faraday was a self-taught genius whose work laid the groundwork for modern electromagnetism and electrochemistry. Born on 22nd September 1791 in Newington, Surrey, England, he grew up in a humble household and had only basic schooling. As a teenager, he apprenticed as a bookbinder, but his curiosity led him to attend public lectures and absorb the science in books he bound. Eventually, his handwritten notes impressed the chemist Humphrey Davy, who gave him a chance as a laboratory assistant at the Royal Institution in London. In the years that followed, Faraday conducted experiments that transformed how we see electricity, magnetism, and light. He invented the first electric motor and the dynamo, demonstrated electromagnetic induction, the principle that changing magnetic fields can create electric currents, and defined diamagnetism, which is the weak repulsion of materials by magnetic fields. He also found that a magnetic field can rotate the plane of polarized light, now known as the Faraday effect. His insight paved the way for the concept of the electromagnetic field, which was later formulated mathematically by Maxwell. Faraday's curiosity didn't stop at electricity. In chemistry, he discovered benzene, performed early work on liquefying gases, and coined key terms like electrode, anode, cathode, and ion. He believed strongly in sharing science. He pioneered the famous Christmas lectures at the Royal Institution, designed for young people and the public. Though offered a knighthood, Faraday declined and preferred to stay, well, plain Mr. Faraday. He died on the 25th of August 1867 at Hampton Court, England, but his legacy remains everywhere. In the unit of capacitance called the Faraday, in the Faraday cage that shields enclosed space from external electric fields, and honestly, in our motors, generators, and the very concept of fields. Faraday's life shows that curiosity, experimentation, and wonder can beat formal education, and that, the simplest ideas, carefully explored, can change the world. Please feel free to share if you enjoyed this video. And, subscribe to the channel Atomic Gear for more scientific content.